Everyone talks about self-love, but few people truly understand what it means. It's not about bubble baths, quotes, or positive vibes. Real self-love is discipline. It's the quiet strength to take care of your mind when nobody's watching. It's about being at peace with yourself, even when life is falling apart. Today we'll explore 8 Stoic self-care habits that can help you love yourself deeply and become mentally unstoppable. These aren't abstract ideas. They're daily practices that ancient Stoics like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus used to find calm, power, and clarity in a chaotic world. Habit 1. Start your morning with stillness. Before you grab your phone, before you scroll, pause. Sit quietly. Breathe. Ask yourself one question. What kind of person do I want to be today? Marcus Aurelius began each day reminding himself that he would meet people who are selfish, angry, and ungrateful. And he chose not to become like them. This is mental armor. It's self-care that starts from the inside out. Spend 5 minutes every morning in silence, no music, no notifications, just awareness. Your thoughts are not your enemies. They are your training ground. Habit 2. Practice emotional awareness, not suppression. The Stoics never said, don't feel. They said, don't be ruled by what you feel. When you're angry, anxious, or hurt, don't bury it. Write it down. Name it. When you give emotions a name, you take away their power to control you. Every time you feel overwhelmed, write one line. I am feeling G, but I am not my feelings. Then breathe, accept, release. Loving yourself means not fighting your emotions, but befriending them. Habit 3, set boundaries without guilt. Epictetus said, if you wish to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. People won't always understand your peace. You owe them explanation, not permission. When you say no, you're saying yes to your energy. When you choose quiet, you're protecting your soul. Each week, remove one thing that drains your peace. A toxic person, a useless habit, a social media page that steals your focus. Create space for what matters. Boundaries are not walls. They are doors with locks that you control. Habit 4. Turn pain into power. The Stoics believe that pain is not punishment. It's a lesson. Every struggle, every heartbreak, every rejection is a training session for your character. Ask yourself, what is this moment trying to teach me? Real-life reflection. When you fail, instead of saying, why me, say, try me, because strength is never built in comfort. Emotional takeaway. You don't grow from what feels good. You grow from what tests you, and you keep loving yourself through it. Habit 5. Focus on what you can control. Half of our suffering comes from trying to control things that were never ours to control. Other people's opinions, the weather, the past. The Stoic rule is simple. Control what's within your power and let go of the rest. Every night, divide your thoughts into 2 lists. Things I can control, things I can't, then cross out the second list. Self-love begins when you stop fighting battles you can't win. Habit 6. Speak kindly to yourself. You become what you repeat to yourself. If you keep calling yourself lazy, broken, or weak, your mind will believe you. Marcus Aurelius wrote reminders to himself every night, not to impress others, but to correct his own thinking. Replace criticism with curiosity. Instead of saying, I failed, ask, what can I learn? Talk to yourself like you would talk to someone you love. That's not weakness, it's wisdom. Habit 7. Rest with purpose. Rest is not laziness. Even Stoics understood the power of withdrawal. Seneca wrote, he who is everywhere is nowhere. You don't need to fill every minute with noise. Sometimes The most productive thing you can do is to be still. Schedule moments of peace, a walk without your phone, a quiet meal, a few minutes of breathing before bed. You are not a machine. Loving yourself means letting yourself rest so you can rise stronger. Habit 8. Reflect and reconnect. 26 minutes to 29 minutes. Each day, ask yourself, did I live today as the person I want to become? Reflection is the mirror of growth. It keeps your heart honest and your actions aligned. Before sleep, write 3 lines. One thing you did well. One thing you can improve. One reason you're proud of yourself. Self-love isn't built in a day. It's built in moments like these. Small victories, repeated with discipline, create peace that lasts. You don't need a perfect life to love yourself. You just need daily effort and the courage to keep showing up. Remember, the Stoics didn't chase happiness. They built inner peace that couldn't be taken away. Be patient with your growth, be gentle with your mistakes, and most of all, push yourself to love who you are becoming.